So how can you use YouTube Shorts so that you can sell more of your products and services and actually monetize your business on YouTube? I recently got this question and I thought it was a great question, and I want to share some of the things that I've learned along the way when it comes to monetizing those YouTube Shorts and what you can do to test and see what works for you. Well, my name is Karin from KarinAngeli.com. I teach and train marketers how to build their business in the online space so that they can attract more leads and sales into their business. And today I want to really dive into monetizing your YouTube Shorts and how you can make more money online, because who doesn't want to do that? So listen, friend, if you want more information on how to build your business online with video, actually attracting more leads and sales into your business, then smash that subscribe button, tap that like button, because I want to give you as much information, as much great information to help you build your business online and with video. So let's get into it. YouTube Shorts and how to monetize. One thing I always hammer home as much as I possibly can is when you're creating any kind of content, whether it's a short form video, a TikTok, a long form video like what I'm doing right now, that you always, and I mean always, have some sort of call to action. A call to action is when you're telling people what you want them to do. Maybe they're watching your short, they're watching your video, and you want to tell them what to do so that either they buy your product, they check out your freebie, or do whatever it is that your video is sharing with them. Basically, your video is a way to get them interested in your products, in your services, and then your call to action is literally that way to level it up and tell people what it is that you want them to do. Here's an example right now of a great call to action. I actually left a link for you in the description down below this video where you can actually learn how to start attracting more leads and sales into your business using video. So if you're curious about that, check that out in the link below because it's a total game changer. What I just did there is a simple example of what you can do in any short form video. You can tell people what you want them to do, whether it's like your video, follow you, check out more information, all kinds of different things. Tell them where to go and what to do. And the cool thing is that what I just told you to do actually can help you build your business and attract more leads and sales into your business. So you should go and do that. Now, one thing I'm going to note is that as I've been testing on YouTube for myself, what I've noticed is that it is a whole lot easier for me to sell products and services on long form content, a video just like this, than it is for me to actually sell on a short form piece of content. The reason for that is because on a short form piece of content, somebody can't really get to know me as much. Whereas a long form piece of content, I'm able to build more know, like, and trust. You're hanging out with me longer and you start to get to know a little bit more about me and my mannerisms. Whereas a short form piece of content may or may not get that fully across the board. Now, if somebody's binging your short form content, then yeah, it's a whole lot easier for somebody to feel like they know you. So my biggest tip when looking to actually make more money with your short form content is actually to create a mixture of short form content and long form content. I've discovered that it's easier to have both together instead of one without the other. But ultimately, whether you're looking at short form content or long form content, your call to action is literally the most important thing that you should be looking at regardless. So always be refining those call to actions. And listen, friend, if you enjoyed this video and you thought it was super helpful, you love some of my video content, I actually have quite a bit of content on this YouTube channel. And I know that YouTube is actually suggesting a video specifically for you that it knows that if you like this video, you're probably going to like that video as well. So do yourself a favor and check out a piece of content that I've shared that can give you even more information about how to grow your business online using video. So go ahead and check that out and I'll see you over there.